Do you own a luxury car that needs engine repair? If so, you might be worried about finding a reliable and affordable garage service that can handle your car's needs. You don't want to risk your car's performance, safety, or value by choosing the wrong service provider. You want to find the best service quality, save your time and money, and be sure about your car's safety. That's why you need Garage Tibebu Helamaria. We are the experts in engine repair for luxury vehicles, especially American and European cars. Whether it's a simple oil change or a complex transmission fluid check, we can do it all. But don't take our word for it. Listen to what our happy customers have to say.
I took my BMW to Garage Tibebu for an engine repair, and I was amazed by their service. They were fast, friendly, and professional. They fixed my engine in no time and gave me a warranty and a satisfaction guarantee. I'm so glad I found them.
They always do a great job on my Mercedes, and they never overcharge me. They also have a loyalty program that gives me discounts and rewards every time I visit them. They treat me like family.
I was looking for a reliable and affordable garage service for my Audi, and I came across Garage Tibebu. They were amazing. They repaired my engine in record time and saved me a lot of money. They also gave me some tips on how to maintain my car and avoid future problems.
Want to experience the miracles of Garage Tibebu Helamaria? Contact us today and get a free quote and a 10% off coupon for your first visit. But hurry, this is a limited time offer that you don't want to miss. Click on the link below and book your appointment now.